I just want to quickly show two marks that the engraver made for customers of mine. I really like this small castle, or you might call it a small fort. This winged axe mark is a little larger than normal, but is just absolutely boss level. The Taiwan engraver really knows his stuff. By the way, these marks are H13 steel and heat treated on the business end. I need to give a big shout out to Bane Nitro Dixon, the owner of this mark, for his recent very generous donation. When the time comes, may you fly on the wings of the Valkyrie to Valhalla. Thank you, sir. This beautiful design is a perfect example of what works well, just fine lines to be imprinted. The solid elements of this one make it a little harder to imprint, so you have to make sure you take a good heat and hit it hard. I'll catch you guys next time.